Hi friends, today I'm going to talk about origin and evolution of life and introduction to classification. First, how was planet Earth formed? Planet Earth was formed between 4 to 5 billion years ago. It led to the evolution of 15 million different species of organisms. What is biodiversity? It's defined as a vast variety of organisms evolved through variation and natural selection. What is origin and evolution of life? The origin of life is the process by which the first simple non living matter developed into the earliest forms of life on Earth. Evolution of life is a subsequent, ongoing process where these early forms gradually change and diversify into the complex variety of organisms we see today through gradual inheritable changes over generations. What is chemosynthetic theory of origin of life? The chemosynthetic theory of origin of life, also known as the modern theory of chemical evolution, proposes that life originated from non-living matter through a series of chemical processes in a primitive earth environment, as suggested by Oparin and Haldane. This theory involves the spontaneous formation of simple organic molecules from inorganic substances which then combine to form more complex biomolecules and eventually self-replicating structures all occurring within a reducing atmosphere and the prebiotic soup of early oceans. Chemosynthetic theory of origin of life. When did the earth originate? The earth originated about 5 billion years ago. It was made up of hot gases and vapors of chemicals like ammonia, water vapor, hydrogen, and methane. No oxygen was found. Heavy rain fell on the earth's surface, and after a long period, water bodies appeared containing hot water. Methane and ammonia from the atmosphere dissolved in the seas. The chemical reactions gave rise to amino acids, nitrogenous bases, sugars, and fatty acids, which gave rise to biomolecules of life like proteins and nucleic acids. Stages of origin of life. The sources of energy, the ultraviolet rays or electric discharge cause reactions that produce complex organic compounds which includes ammonia, methane, water, hydrogen and amino acids which are the building blocks of protein. Organic molecules combine to form large molecules like peptides, sugar, starch and fat molecules. Different kinds of large molecules combine to form multimolecular heaps. The Miller-Urey experiment was a 1952 scientific test by Stanley Miller and Harold Urey that simulated early Earth conditions to show that complex organic molecules such as amino acids could form from simple inorganic matter through natural chemical reactions. The experiment used an apparatus to cycle gases like methane, ammonia, and hydrogen with water, creating electric sparks to simulate lightning and produce these vital biomolecules, demonstrating abiogenesis and establishing the field of prebiotic chemistry. Steps of events which led to origin of life. Abiogenesis and formation of simple organic molecules, polymerization of complex organic molecules, formation of protocells, development of self-replication, evolution of first true cells. That's it friends. Thank you.